Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve video quality in Zoom Workplace in 2026. If your Zoom camera looks blurry, dark, or low quality, this guide will help you get a much clearer and more professional video. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer. Then click the settings icon in the bottom left corner. From the left menu, click Video and Effects. In the camera section, make sure the correct camera is selected. If you see the HD option, turn on Enable HD. This allows Zoom to use higher video quality when your camera and internet connection support it. Next, enable Touch Up My Appearance slightly for a cleaner and smoother video. Then set Adjust for Low Light to Auto so Zoom can automatically improve brightness in darker environments. Now go to Background and Effects. If you're using a virtual background, choose None or a simple background because heavy background effects can reduce video quality. Scroll down and open Advanced Settings if available. Turn on Hardware Acceleration for better video performance and smoother camera quality. Also make sure your room has good lighting, clean your camera lens, and keep a stable internet connection. These simple changes can make a big difference in Zoom video quality. Finally, close and reopen Zoom Workplace, then start a new meeting and test your camera. These settings will help improve video quality, brightness, and overall camera performance in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.